Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can disable two-step verification on WhatsApp application. So how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end and let's find out. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your WhatsApp application. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From there, you need to tap on settings. In settings, you need to tap on account. So once you're there, you will see the two-step verification. As I tap on that one, I can either change the PIN or I can turn it off. So I want to disable it, so I will tap on turn off, and from here, again, you need to tap on the turn off, and as you can see now, the two-step verification is turned off. So guys, this is all it takes to turn off your two-step verification on WhatsApp application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.